Hi, mathematicians. So on Friday, we were working on solving multi-stat problems. Now, today we're going to be exploring the question, does it matter if the order that I solve that problem in or the order that I use those numbers in affect the answer? So we're going to explore that first and then talk some more about it. So let's try it. If I had this number sentence, 4 plus 16 divided by 2. Does it matter how I solve these? We're going to try it two ways and see. First, I'm just going to solve it in the order that it comes in. So I'm going to do 4 plus 16. So this is way 1. First, I'll do 4 plus 16. Okay, that equals 20. And then I still have this divided by 2. So I would do 20 divided by 2, which equals 10. Okay, I solved it in the order it was in. Let's try it a different way. What if I did 16 divided by 2 first? 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then I still have that plus 4. So I would do 8 plus 4, and I get 12. How interesting. So does the order that we solve our problems in matter? Yes, it does. So we're going to be exploring something today so that this doesn't happen and so you don't get two answers, something called order of operations, which will always tell you the order to solve your problems in. So let me tell you about that. So the order of operations is something called does. That's how I remember it. Does. Say it with me. Does. Good. The or M stands for multiply. The D stands for divide. So you're always going to want to multiply or divide first when you have a number sentence with multiple operations in it. Then we have A, the does for add. And then we have the S is subtract. So this is the order that you want to solve a problem in. First, you're going to multiply or divide, and then you add or subtract. So let's try that using this problem. Let me just fix it up a little bit. A little tiny bit got erased. Okay. So it says, Megan bought 2 books that cost $4 each. She paid with a $10 bill. How much money does she have left? Okay, are you guys picturing this problem in your head? Let's read it one more time and pull out the important information. Megan bought 2 books, okay, important, 2 books, that cost $4 each. Ooh, keyword. She paid with a $10 bill, so she gave the cashier $10. How much money does she have left? Okay, so if I was going to solve this the way we would normally solve this, I would think, I need to multiply first the 4 and the 2 to figure out how much money she actually spent on the books. So I would do 4 times 2 is 8. So I know she spent $8, but she gave the cashier 10. So I could do 10 minus 8 to figure out how much I have left, which would be $2. But guess what, guys? I can actually represent this problem with one number sentence. And then we could solve it to see if we get the same thing. I'm just going to move these down for a second to show you what my number sentence would look like. So I know, I'm going to do it in a different color. She spent $10. So that's like the big amount that she starts with. And I need to take away how much the books cost, which we did 2 times 4 to get that. Let's see if we follow our does, if we get the same thing. Ooh, look, we need to multiply first. So first I'm going to do 2 times 4, which is 8. I don't have addition, but I do have subtraction. So now I can subtract. I would do 10 minus 8, which is 2. And look, we got the same answer. All right, guys, let's try a few together because I know this can be tricky. All right, so I'm going to give us another equation. Get us all set up. All my letters are falling. Okay. put our does up top to help us remember. Okay, so say I want to do 9 plus 2 times 3. 9 plus 2 times 3. All right, guys, you tell me, where do I need to start? Shout it out. What was that? Shout it out again. Good. I need to do 2 times 3 first. Because remember, multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Look, now I can do my adding or subtracting. So now I would just do 9 plus 6, which equals 15. Okay, let's do another one together. All right, let's do 4 plus 6 divided by 3. Okay, remember, I need to multiply or divide first, so where am I going to start? Good. 6 divided by 3 I'll do first, which is 2. And now I can add or subtract, and I'll just bring this down and do 4 plus 2, which equals 6. All right, let's try another one. Okay, so I have 8 divided by 4 times 2. All right, guys, whenever you have multiplication and division only, you're just going to go in order of the problem because multiplication and division are equal here, okay? So look, I would then just do 8 divided by 4, which is 2, and then do times 2, which equals 4. Okay? I want you guys to try one now on your own. All right, you guys are going to try and do 36 minus 7 times 3. 36 minus 7 times 3. All right, guys, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Try and solve this. And remember, does. Bye.